Well, good evening, reptile fans. Welcome back to Reptile Outdoors. We're out here tonight. It is super windy tonight. So I don't know if that's going to have a factor or not, but it did get up to 83 degrees today. And the last time we were out here, it got up to 84 degrees, and we had probably the most epic night I've ever had. We got to see a lifer mud snake. Awesome. And we've seen 14 snakes total, 7 different species. So just an absolute incredible night. I'm not expecting to see anything near that tonight, but you never know. So we're going to get cruising, y'all. Wish us luck. Y'all, we got our first snake. A little thing. What is this? It's a ringneck. It's a little baby ringneck. Oh, you gonna stop or what? Come here. Come here. Come here, little buddy. Come here, little buddy. There we go. Pretty little ringneck. Make sure I check all around so I don't see one. Boy.
Oh, how cute.
Little ringneck. Little baby. It's not baby. They're just a little snake. But that's cool. Well, we got a ringneck. First snake of the night. So I'll go ahead and put this guy right here. There you go, buddy. Oh, go the other way. Go the other way. There you go. There you go, buddy. Found a little hole and he's going. Look at it. That's crazy. Snake, another little one. No, he's alive. It's what is that? Little Glossy, little baby Glossy.
He's little.
Yeah, he is a little Glossy.
He's cute.
Yeah, he is cute.
His little eyes.
Yeah, it's a good spot, babe. Real good spot. It's just me and Amber on the road tonight. Alex had other stuff to do, and Caleb is doing other things, so we're all by ourselves, and so far we got 2 snakes. And he was going this way, so we'll let him go. We're near that ant mound, so we'll let him go right here. Here, buddy. Let's get off the road, buddy. Come on, there you go. Such a cool snake. All right. Number 2. Take a quick little looky look. We'll see something else. Alright, y'all, we got number 3 right here. What are you? You are a banded water snake. What's up? Make sure I don't see nothing else out here. Yeah, you're banded. Look at him. Look at him raise his head up like he's a bad old cottonmouth. But you're not a cottonmouth. You're banded. Quit acting like you're a cottonmouth. Come on. Quit acting like a bad old cottonmouth. You're just a banded. So anything else coming out? Alright, number 3. Very nice. Alright, buddy. Pretty nice little underbelly on him. Oh, you all bad, ain't you, buddy? You all bad. There you go. There's a leopard frog right there. Got a leopard frog right there, y'all. That is awesome. going to put a snake down right there. And there's a leopard frog. And a beautiful one at that. Very nice. See you later, snake. Well, we got a toad. That's a pretty southern toad. Very pretty one. Alright, well that's 5 herps tonight. 2 amphibians. 3 snakes. Alright, cool. Let's go see what else we can see. Yeah, I'm looking around a little bit. We might have another frog. Yep, that's a frog. Oh, it's a little bullfrog. Looks like, nope, it's a toad. Is that little toad? Ooh, that's a pretty toad. Look at you. Now that's a pretty toad, babe.
Oh.
We're not seeing a bunch of snakes tonight. We've seen 3 snakes, but we're seeing some amphibians. I think it's because it's too windy. That's what I think. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna cruise up and down one more time and then probably call it a day. I see nothing else. Alright, we got another snake up here, y'all. Not sure what kind this one is. Looks like a banded. Yep, pretty banded. What's up, buddy? That's number 4 snake. What you doing there, big fella? You gonna be a big bad meanie? What you gonna do? Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you got it, baby. You got it. You got it. There you go. Awesome. Very, very cool. We're gonna look around real quick. See if you see anything else. Just never know. Nope. Alrighty. Alright, 4 snakes and 3 amphibians so far. I might have another frog or amphibian, something, toad, another toad. Yep, another toad. Wow, that's a pretty, wow, look at the colors on that one. Whoa, that one's got some colors. That one's got some yellows, almost green.
Oh my god, that one is pretty.
That one is gorgeous. I hate those things.
Maybe he'll eat it.
Maybe you won't eat it? Eat a fly? That'd be crazy if you did. I don't eat it. Nope. That'd be funny. Alright, here you go, buddy. There you go. That's awesome. That is a pretty toad. We got another frog somewhere.
I think he's over there. I see it all hopping over there. Right there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going straight. Straight. Right there. Straight. Straight ahead for you.
Straight ahead for me?
Go down the road. Right there. Stop. Right there.
I'm not seeing nothing.
Oh,
Oh, there he is. There he is.
you're right there.
He was too far ahead of me. There we go. Come here, buddy. That's a normal looking one there.
Did you get him?
Yep, I got him. Just a normal looking one. No cool colors. But pretty. Alright. There you go, buddy. Sweet. See if there's anything else. Oh, look at this real quick. Nothing in there. Check out these little culvert pipes. You never know what could be living in them. And nothing. We have 2 toads here just stopping traffic. Look at that big one. That's a pretty one right there. Golly, that's a pretty one. Let's see what this one looks like. It's another gray one. That's also pretty. Very cool. So 2 toads, 1 stop. Not many snakes out, but man, there's a ton of toads out. Ton of toads. Come here, buddy. I love these gray ones like that. They are pretty. I mean, that's just awesome right there. And they just chilling. Let's see if there's anything else. If not, I think that's going to be it for us, y'all. I think it's just a little too windy, a little chilly for some snakes. But we've had a good night. I can't complain. Cannot complain.